Hey guys, this is just a quick video here just to show you how to make money in Gran Turismo. And I know a lot of people have been talking about how, some cars are really expensive, like the Mclaren F1, the Legend car. It's like 18 million credits. And I was gonna show you guys here, but unfortunately I don't have it. I don't have the Legend cars unlocked yet, just because I've been working hard, making money in Gran Turismo. This is my life. All I do is play Gran Turismo. I have nothing else to do. I just grind 24/7 and make the money. But yeah, I mean, like, you got like some of this, like 3.6 million, but this is not 18 million, right? So anyways, the point is, and how to make the money quick in Gran Turismo is, what you do is, so while you're on the screen here, you'll press on your PS button here, and just gonna close Gran Turismo. So it's just closing the app, and then you get this little icon here. It's called GT Sport. So you just click it here real quick, and it's gonna start up here in a second. Alright, yeah, so you see we're just here in Gran Turismo. It might be a little bit different for what you're playing, but I mean, that's not the point, right? So, yeah, I'm gonna just show you how to make the money real quick here again. Please, stay focused. Come on, let's get serious here. So yeah, you go to here in McLaren, and, alright, so yeah, we just opened up the McLaren dealership here, and I know the Legend McLaren, which is the one right there beside this orange one, is 18 million, right? So bam, 1 million, and that's how you make 17 million credits real fast in Gran Turismo. So yeah, 17 million credits made in, like, well, I don't know, what was it, like a minute and a half. I mean, I rambled a lot. We would have done this faster, but yeah, there you go, 1 million. And you can pick the color, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty crazy, right? And then there it is, 1 million. So I just decreased it by 17 million. So I hope hopefully this video helps, and makes you a lot of money, and all the best grinding. Peace out.